You do not need motivation to fix your life. You need discipline, you need structure, and you need to start right now. If you keep waiting to feel inspired, nothing will change. Days will pass, weeks will disappear, years will slip away, and you will still feel stuck, frustrated, and behind. Right now, your biggest enemy is comfort, scrolling instead of working, sleeping instead of improving, planning instead of executing. You tell yourself you will start tomorrow, but tomorrow keeps moving. You waste time, not because you are incapable, but because you avoid discomfort. You choose easy over meaningful. You choose distraction over progress. And deep down, you know it. The truth is hard, but necessary. Your current life is a result of your daily choices, not luck, not talent, not your past. Your habits built this reality. If you want a different life in 30 days, you must take full responsibility. No excuses, no blaming, no waiting. This is your reset. For the next 30 days, you live by discipline, not feelings. You wake up at the same time every day, even when it feels hard. You move your body, even when you feel tired. You work on your goals, even when you feel unmotivated. You remove distractions that steal your focus. Less scrolling, less entertainment, less comfort, more effort, more structure, more control. You build a simple daily system. Wake up early, exercise, work on one meaningful task. Learn something that improves your future. Reflect at night on what you did right and what you must fix. You stop waiting to feel ready. You move first. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. There will be days you want to quit, days when your mind tells you to relax, delay, and give up. That is the exact moment you must push harder. Because discipline is built when it is uncomfortable. Growth happens when it feels difficult. Confidence grows when you keep promises to yourself. Every day you stay consistent, you become someone new, someone stronger, someone more focused, someone more reliable. After 30 days, you will not recognize your old self. Your posture will change. Your mindset will sharpen. Your standards will rise. You will stop seeing yourself as someone who talks about goals and start seeing yourself as someone who executes. You will walk differently, think differently, act differently, not because of motivation, but because of identity. You will become the person who does what must be done, even when it feels hard, boring, or uncomfortable. This is your moment. Do not wait for the perfect time. Do not wait to feel inspired. Do not wait until next week. Start today. Create your 30-day plan. Commit to discipline. Remove distractions. Take action, even when you do not feel like it. If you start now, your future self will thank you. If you delay, you will stay the same. Choose progress. Choose discipline. Fix your life in 30 days and begin immediately.